Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a ventilated space and removing surface contaminants. This ensures adhesion. Once done, clean with mild detergent, rinse, and let the fabric or gear dry completely so the repellent bonds. Now shake the can for 30 to 60 seconds and confirm spray pattern on a hidden scrap to check atomization. You want a fine mist, not drips, because even coverage creates a lasting barrier. Make sure to wear gloves and a mask to protect your skin and lungs. You should spray from 6 to 8 inches away, moving in steady, overlapping strokes so each pass blends with the last. This prevents pooling. Once you finish a coat, make sure to wait the recommended 5 to 10 minutes so solvents evaporate before adding another light layer. 2 to 3 coats usually work best. For shoes and jackets, prioritize exposed outer fabric and avoid saturating seams or inner linings to keep breathability intact. If using on zippers, mask them to reduce buildup. You finish by allowing the treated piece to cure for 12 to 24 hours. Curing locks the molecules into place so water beads instead of soaking. Once cured, test with a light water spray. If beads form, you're done. If water soaks in, make a thin additional pass and allow full cure. If the finish feels sticky or looks blotchy, clean that area according to product instructions, let it dry, and reapply thin coats. Remember, patience yields durable repellency and avoids
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.